The popularity of compact and efficient lawnmowers has grown rapidly, similar to the way mechanical keyboards attract both typists and gamers for their precision and reliability. Small yards require lawnmowers that are lightweight, easy to maneuver. List number. The Ego Power Plus electric lawnmower is an excellent option for small yards, offering powerful performance and a compact package. Its 56V lithium-ion battery delivers reliable cutting power while eliminating the noise and hassle of gas models. The 21-inch cutting deck provides enough coverage to mow quickly without feeling oversized for a smaller yard. Its LED headlights make it convenient for early morning or evening mowing sessions. With a lightweight frame, push-button start, and adjustable cutting heights, the mower is very user-friendly. Homeowners will also appreciate the folding design for vertical storage, which saves space in sheds or garages. The Ego Power Plus is ideal for small to medium yards, where convenience and clean cutting performance matter most. List 2. The Greenworks 80V 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawnmower is a top performer that can handle small yards with ease, while offering extra power for tougher spots. Its brushless motor ensures long-term durability and improved efficiency, while the 80V battery provides extended runtime. The self-propelled feature reduces effort, making it perfect for homeowners who want effortless mowing. The 21-inch steel deck ensures wider cuts, which means fewer passes even on small lawns. The LED headlights add versatility for mowing in low-light conditions. While it's more powerful than most small yard needs, it's a great choice for users who prefer a mower that's compact yet future-proof, capable of handling larger or more demanding areas as well. List 3. Designed specifically for compact lawns, the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawnmower offers lightweight convenience and reliable performance. Its 16-inch deck makes it easy to maneuver around flower beds, pathways, and tight corners, while the 40V battery system provides sufficient runtime for small yard maintenance. The 5-position height adjustment allows you to customize your cut, and the dual-function system supports both mulching and rear bagging. One of its best features is the vertical storage option, which saves space in smaller garages or sheds. Assembly is quick and tool-free, making it user-friendly for beginners. This mower is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a practical, affordable, and low-maintenance solution for their small lawn. List number. The WORX 40V 14-inch cordless lawnmower is purpose-built for small yards, making it a standout in this roundup. Its 14-inch cutting deck is compact enough to maneuver in the tightest spaces, while still providing clean and even cuts. Powered by two 20-volt batteries, it ensures consistent power delivery throughout the job. The IntelliKit technology adjusts power automatically depending on grass thickness, which improves efficiency and extends battery life. It's lightweight and easy to push, with multiple cutting height options for flexibility. Storage is also simple, thanks to its foldable handle. For small yard owners who want a no-nonsense mower that's both efficient and compact, the WORX 40V is a smart investment. List number 5. The Greenworks 48V 17-inch cordless push lawnmower is a great middle ground choice for small yard owners. Its dual 24-volt batteries provide extended runtime, ensuring you finish your lawn on a single charge. The 17-inch deck strikes the perfect balance between compact size and cutting efficiency, making it suitable for tighter areas without sacrificing coverage. It features 6-position height adjustment for versatile cutting, and a 2-in-1 system for mulching and bagging, offering flexibility in lawn care. The push-start mechanism makes it beginner-friendly, while its foldable design ensures easy storage. This mower is ideal for homeowners seeking a reliable, affordable, and compact mower with slightly more power than smaller models provide.